Yes, welcome back to the Crypto Niche channel, and I'd like to share something interesting and exciting with you. I found a project that was created by $69 budget. Okay, $69 budget, and that coin right now is doing over $200 million volume. Okay, let me go to the coin market cap now to show you Turbo. Okay, Turbo should be a familiar name to you guys right now if you are in crypto world, and you love meme coin. Look at this right now. It is trading at 0.0160. Okay, and it's having a trading volume of $207 million. Okay, and having a fully FDMC of $111 million. Okay, that's massive. That's crazy. Over $5 million on Dex. Okay, can you see it now? And one thing you should definitely pay attention to right now is the fact that this was created with a very, very low budget and probably the lowest budget in the industry. Okay, then I stumbled on a thread whereby the creator said that this project was created, by using ChatGPT. Okay, then look at their page. This is the website. The founder refused to create any fancy website for this project. Okay, simply use site.google.com, and that was it. Okay, then look at the beautiful page. All right, so it says that welcome to Turbo, the future of memecoin. Turbo is a revolutionary memecoin, featuring a futuristic toad mascot. Hop on board and join the ride. Okay, so when I go to the website, this actually got my attention. It said TurboToken began a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation inspired by the power of artificial intelligence. The project founder turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge. So create the next great meme coin, start with a budget of $69. All right. This is exactly what actually got my attention. And I go to the Twitter page here, and I found the exact same thing. Look at the website URL, site.google.com. Like, no, no, like I was really surprised, really. Like, does this happen in the crypto world? Okay, turbo community driven crypto adventure birthed from a wide idea, GPT-4 guided, and the quest to create the next generation, the next great meme coin. All right. So, and I saw the paint suite, which was pinned on April 30th. Okay, the first meme coin created by AI. Read the foundation thread here. Okay, then if you look at this thread, then you click on it. It will take you to this page. You see, I have a GPT for, I gave a GPT for a budget of $69 and asked it to make the next great meme coin. Like, this was entirely created by memecoin, like by AI. It will go to the AI, ask some questions. Even the smart contract code. The smart contract code for this project was created by AI. Okay, and he launched his smart contract. He launched his smart contract. The logo was also created by AI. What you are seeing here was created by AI by Midjourney. Okay, Midjourney is an active AI on Discord. Okay, it was created by Midjourney. So if you know how to create Midjourney, then you have things that it takes to launch a project. Okay, so the AI wrote the ChatGPT wrote the white paper. Okay, it wrote the white paper, and every content that you see on the website also was written by ChatGPT. Okay, like virtually everything that you see here was done by the AI. All right, AI. All of this you are saying was probably generated by AI. Okay, using Midjourney. Okay, Midjourney created a roadmap. Okay, you can see this is not like a roadmap actually. Okay, Midjourney created all of these things. I think here, frequently asked questions by you know, and the email address of the team member, okay, of the owner was turbotoad@gmail.com, and that was it. Okay, simple, precise, and straightforward. All right. So if you're trying to create a project now, you can see this guy has shown you some insights, into how project works. Okay, how you can use AI to create your own next project. Okay, how to use AI to create your own next project. It is very possible. Okay, how to use AI to create a crypto project is possible. It's very, very possible, and I want to show you how possible it is. Okay, and I'm gonna do something similar to this very soon. Okay, like I will try. Guys, I need you to remind me in the comment box. Okay, if you want to be a part of it, let me know in the comment box. I'll use GPT-4. All right, I'll use it and create a crypto project from scratch, okay, including the smart contract. I will go to the tested environment and test it, and see how it works. I'm going to list it also on Dex. All right. So, and if you want, we can actually you can actually make it a real project if you want. Well, I want to show you the possibility that this is very, very possible. Okay. And look at this project now. It was listed on Dex. According to the developer, he didn't spend a dime on listing on centralized exchanges. Okay. Okay. It was OB, Gates, and the rest of them that decided to list it. That's the truth. Okay, he didn't beg, he didn't go through any processes, it was a meme coin now. Anybody could just go ahead and list it. All right, so look at OB listed on OB, Polonex, BitJets, L Bank, some of these top tier exchanges listed it. Okay, and that is why it was able to pull some massive volume. Okay, just wait for Binance to drop on this. Okay, and you'll be surprised. Okay, you'll be surprised at how far this will go. All right. So, like, I was surprised. No, to be honestly, but look at the chart now. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, then let me go back. Let me go back to, what's it? Turbo, right? Turbo, Turbo USDT on Gates. Okay, look at the price movement in the last few hours. Can you see? Can you see the price movement? So there is still a possibility that this will actually move like this. Okay, there is zero possibility to move like this. That's the truth. Okay, uh, like this, it could keep going down like this. Okay, move like this, you know, like this, then boom, it goes up again. Okay, it is possible. This is crypto. Okay, this scenario is very, very possible. Very possible. All right. So it doesn't even have any tax. Okay, there's no tax. Look at the white paper. Where is it? No tax. Where is it? Let me check. I saw something like no tax. It doesn't have any tax. It is just pure. It is just pure men. No, simple and straightforward. Okay, the only way that the developer will actually make money from this is probably by buying his own token. Okay, probably when it was cheap, by buying his own token. That's the only way he's gonna make money from it. Okay, and you can see that the max supply equals to total supply. Okay, but we don't have data about what is actually supply yet, except you go through the what's it called, the Explorer. Okay, to see how many people are actually holding it. Okay, currently having 16,000 orders. Okay, and they've done 85,000 transfers. Okay, so that's impressive. Okay, that's impressive. So between all of these orders, it is with them. We have exchanges also holding it. Several exchanges also holding it, a part of the orders. So that is, it is possible. Look at these guys now. Let me go back to Twitter. You know, white paper. I asked, do step 3, write the white paper, make it no longer than 1 page. Can you see? Develop code. So maybe this is the first stumbling block. Like it asked it to create a code, a smart contract code, and it guided this guy. He's not a developer. He doesn't know anything about development. Okay, he doesn't know anything about development, and he was guided. Okay, he was guided. So these are things you should pay attention. Like the power of AI is being underrated. That's the truth. Okay, and never ever underrate AI. Don't ever underrate it. It could do a lot of things. Okay, and even though this guy made a mistake in the early part of it, he could not actually include liquidity bot in his code, and he got help from Twitter. Okay, like just a very simple code to just make that work. It was that easy and simple. Okay, so that's the power of AI, and this is probably the first project that was created by AI. As you can see, it didn't take this guy much time to actually complete all of this. Okay, within a few days, boom, the project was live. Okay, it was even AI that taught this guy how to list on Dex, how to list on Uniswap. how to provide liquidity on Uniswap. Like that is it. The internet is there for everyone. Okay, and I bet you that if you have a decent amount of followers, you can go a long way. You can do a whole lot in this space. That is it. You can do a whole lot in this space. All right. So if you would like to create a crypto project with AI, or you'd like to create a coin or a token with AI, okay, and you'd like to apply AI to your project, come on, guys, let me know. Okay, let me know. Let me know exactly what you think. Okay, let me know exactly what you think. I would like to engage you. I would like to share some more stuff with you. Okay, so just leave me a comment down below. I would like to engage with you. All right, so let me go back and screenshot this. Where is it? Analysis. This price trajectory. So I'm gonna copy this and I'll go back to the Telegram channel. Okay, I'll go back to the Telegram channel right here. Okay, then I'll paste it. I'll paste it. So this is Turbo Memecoin. All right. So this is going to be in the Telegram channel. So if you want to be a part of this Telegram channel where I drop a lot of updates, analysis, technical analysis, price prediction, and all that, you can see I dropped one yesterday for if a fan token, that is Napoli USDT token, or yesterday. Okay, there's a pool that is going on right here. Okay, if you'd like to join this pool and vote, okay, you are free to do that. So there's going to be a link in the comment box, in the pinned post. So click on that link, okay, and you will be able to join the community all the way from YouTube. All right. So, guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys, tomorrow. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day. All right.